So to multiply anything by 9, you could just take that number, multiply it by 10, you get 80, and then you minus that same number, which is the 8, and you get 72. And that's the answer for 9 times 8. Is this a coincidence? Let's try it again. So 7 times 10 is 70, and minus that number, 7. That gives you 63. Now it's time for you to make sure that works all the time. But let's go to number 8 and see if we could do something like that with number 8 as well. So 8, the times table for 8, you take this number again, multiply it by 10, you get 70, and then minus, except here you double this number, which is 14, and 70 minus 14, you get 56. Is this a coincidence? Let's go try it again. 8 times 5, you take the 5, you multiply it by 10. You're gonna get 50. And then you minus double this number, which is 10, and that gives you 40. And that's correct as well. Now it's your turn to try it to confirm it would work. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.